Alright, so quick little story time. I managed to get a Series X console for about 300 bucks at GameStop. So this is the receipt. So I traded in my original Xbox, my One S, my wired controller for a grand total of about $400 roughly, right? Which is really good, way better than what I thought. I renewed my membership. I got an Xbox Series X bundle with Far Cry 6, a $50 gift card, NBA 2K22, and Vanguard. Pretty new games already. A total of $700 is the original cost. I was gonna put the $300, $400 into a Series S console, a bundle. Instead, I got a Series X for $360. That's insane. We're gonna go ahead and unbox everything that we got today. This is a $50 gift card. I'll probably spend it online, probably get a new controller or something, or a game, something like that. I'll also unbox these games as well. We will get into the console. So this is the console here. Let me zoom out. 1 terabyte, 4K, 120 FPS. This is very hard to get. And they were like, oh, we're gonna be doing a bundle within 45 minutes. They said it low key, like literally, they just whispered it to me, showed me a binder and showed me all the list of all the things that it came with and you have to buy it in a bundle. It wasn't online. You can't get it online. It's so hard to get these. So yeah, I got one for 300 bucks. That's a steal. So let's go ahead and take off this tape and open it. Now I do have a Series X, but I wanted to upgrade my dad since he wants to get into gaming. Now you can do that, especially with these new games that I just got. I haven't opened this since like a year. It's crazy. Oh, this is a big box. Hold up. Look at that. We have the Series X right here. And we got a little container here. We got our 2.1 HDMI cable. Pretty sure you've seen many unboxings of these. Got a power cable here, user manual. Got our Xbox controller. Get a nice fresh one. I didn't even know. When I woke up this morning, I did not know I was gonna get a Series X. That's insane. Look at this. This controller is so beautiful. Got some Duracell batteries as well. Typical Xbox, pop that in. It's cool that I didn't get the Series S because obviously you would have to upgrade storage. It's diskless, so you would have to like buy digital games only. Let me get this out. And then on the bottom, some more information on how to quickly set it up. Get the Xbox app, you can set it up from there. Really simple. All right, so here's the console. I could get a little closer now. It's kind of like an early Christmas present, or a late Christmas present, I should say. Look at this beast. This is amazing. I was gonna try to get the limited edition one, but obviously that one's sold out. It's really hard to get, so I opted for this one. All right, so we got that. Got our power cable here. Let's get into the games real quick. Actually haven't unboxed the game in like 5 years. Now we got Vanguard. I wasn't gonna plan on getting this game, but I mean, we have it now, so that's cool. And we got 2K. This is my first 2K game. Hopefully it's good. I really do hope. If it's not good, then that sucks. I got the warranty for these. I will be breaking these games in the future before the warranty expires to get some new ones. All right, there's that first game right there. All right, next up we got Far Cry 6. This is my first Far Cry game, so that's also cool. I've heard and played Far Cry before. I've never owned one. So that's really cool to have this. You got Dolby Audio, DTS, digital surround. This is a really beautiful, well-made game. Very excited to play these. Now we got stuff to play on Christmas break. And then we got Vanguard, which I heard bad things about this, but now I get to actually see if it's bad or good. Oh, this does have zombies. Nice. And I know this game is just heavy on storage, so this will probably be one of the last games I download. I know it's bad. I don't want to waste storage. And I'll just put this sticker inside the case. Oh, I didn't even open the thing. So you got Vanguard, Warzone, advertisement here. We'll go ahead and put these stickers up in here. You just basically just put it like that inside each game. I got warranty basically. This is for 2K. Oops, and we got Far Cry. There we go. If you want to see the video on me breaking one of those discs, subscribe. You'll see it soon before the year ends, and I'll do it for probably all of them. Break the whole game because I've never done that before and I want to experiment on it. And if the game Call of Duty Vanguard sucks, I'll be doing this one first before. Like if it sucks like really bad, I'll just break it, go to GameStop, get a new one, and then sell that new one or something because if it sucks.